Today I have 2002 Tundra. This is the first generation Tundra, and your key, just a basic key. There's no chip. Okay, it's not like the last model that have a chip on it, then you have to program. But this one's pretty lucky. I love the old traditionals. So the key is worn out. So when you have a ball key like this, see it? So if you put your key and there's no teeth like this one's ball, right? Let's look at that, this side. So you keep using old key, so that's what damage your keyhole. And not just that, sometimes you hanging so many key like this into your key and keep dropping, you know, the inside of the key cylinder. So that's what went out your key cylinder. Then you're having problem to not getting key working. See, on right now you can't really turn, and that's why I can't turn, not even on accessory. Okay, it's stuck there. So I'm going to replace that. Okay, let me take this out. Taking down this main right here, and then another one right there. And all four is out, so just pull the clip, just taking down like this. So to see, I can press this right here to see if that will come up. Let me take this clip light right here out first. Okay, it's just light, nothing there. Try to press to see I can turn the key. If not, then I have to drill this out. Nope. Okay, cannot take this off. So let me see, I can drill this thing here. Okay, so I'm pounding until this go like this. The one thing is about my key is almost go to accessory, right? So that's why I can pound it until this thing go down like that. So I try to drill it, but it doesn't work because it keeps spinning when I pound it. But one main thing is I drill to make a hole so I can punch with this. So I punch with this, so that thing go down all the way, so I can pull this keys off. Okay, it's very challenging. Now time to put the new ones in. New one's easy. In case you want a part number for that Tundra, this is the part number. Okay, and brand lock smart. So make sure you check the correct one, otherwise sometimes they give you the wrong part. Something auto part, they're not all the same guy. So I'm very unknowledgeable. Okay, time to put into the accessory. And when you put an accessory, you can press this right here, so they just slide in. Okay. That's it. So as soon as you push all the way in like this, then you can click to see start. Okay. So make sure it's go all the way in. If it doesn't go all the way in, then you can't click. Okay. So that's it. Put this one back up and make sure you lock it in with a pin. So lock this pin so it will stay exactly the same place. Now time to put this one back up. Okay, simple and easy. So it's done. Thank you for watching. You just need pounding to get the pins out, okay? Alright, we'll see you guys next video. Please don't forget to help me subscribe, okay? Bye bye now.